Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today I'm going to be talking about seeds, where I get them and how I get them. Mainly the giant vegetable seeds, as that is a question I commonly get asked on social media, so I thought I'd come on here to answer it for you. Plus I've also been asked to do a little video on the giant vegetable seed exchange, so we're going to do that first. All of these seeds that came out of that brown envelope cost me £5. Now these are from Greham Barrett. If you don't know him, he is definitely a bloke worth getting to know. Check out his Facebook page, I'll link it in the description below. He holds lots of world records, giant celeriac, cucumbers, longest cucumber plant, longest loofah plant, heaviest tomatillo. He's done absolutely loads of different ones, and through these seeds a lot of other people have also broken records. There are a lot of the top growers that participate in the giant vegetable seed exchange, and it's what it is each person entering sends in 30 packets of their own seed. I sent in the heavy Swede. I was also going to send the longest chili, but they weren't dry enough at the time. And everyone sends in 30 packets of their own seeds. Graham then puts all his time and effort into splitting them all up into individual piles, so everyone gets something different, all the same, but a pack of each seeds of every different person. I'll pan the camera through these so you can have a quick look through them. But that is the main place I get my giant vegetable seeds, is through Greham Barrett. Now I met Greham Barrett in the Malvern Autumn Show a couple of years ago, got speaking to him down there, and luckily enough he asked me about this back then, and since then I've been participating in this every year. I do still have lots left over from last year and the year before, so we do end up with a lot of stuff that we're probably not going to grow. It's like the amount of, there's not as many this year, but last year there was a lot of pumpkins. You know, I'm never going to grow all them, but it's great to have the variety and the choice there, and if you don't want them yourself you can always pass them on. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, I will pop a link to Graham's Facebook page in the description of this video. Please do head on over and check out his channel, his page, and drop him a message. He might still have some left. He does sell seeds as well, so it's definitely worth getting in touch with him. So continuing with asking other growers, there are many other growers out there that are willing to send out seed, such as myself. You've got Terry King. Whilst I was at Malvern, I did get in touch with Peter Glazebrook, and I ordered a few different sorts off him, some seeds off him. We've got the long runner bean there, large tomato. We've done long aubergines and heavy aubergines just behind me here, and we've got the yellow bell pepper from Peter Glazebrook as well. We'll have a look at them at the end of the video though. And I do also have the onion seeds from Peter Glazebrook, and a lot of other people have sent me seeds as well, but just go and ask them, get in touch with them. I should have Peter Glazebrook's email address. I can pop that in the description as well. I'm pretty sure he won't mind me forwarding his details on to anyone interested in buying any seeds. Like I say, Terry King, he's the one that actually got me into growing giant vegetables to start with. He was absolutely brilliant. He sent me my first lot of seeds, got me going, taught me a lot of what I know, and had a lot of time for me. So pop and check out his channel as well. Again, links to everyone that I mentioned will be in the description. Another one was Chris Evans. He reached out to me asking for some seeds off me. I said, yeah, of course, we'll do a bit of a seed swap, and he sent me multiple packs of seeds, and I did the same to him. So we've got some more here now: sunflowers, giant green cabbage, giant tomato, domingo, and giant red pepper. Yeah, and this is all through speaking to people on social media, asking people, and just getting to know the growers. They're the best people that you're going to get them off. You're not going to find them on eBay. You're going to get ripped off. A lot of seed companies, they don't sell the giant vegetable seeds. It's the growers that are getting these seeds. So it's the growers that you need to get in touch with. They're the ones that are producing these giant vegetable seeds. They're not something that's mass produced in a whole field somewhere. They're selectively produced, and you're not going to be able to get these seeds anywhere. Another one that I've done is Dan Sutherland. We've got Luke and Dan. They are also on YouTube. These are from, I believe, DC. And Dan, he holds many world records again, mainly tomato and stuff like that. But I'll pop links to his channel in the description as well. So I got in touch with them and bought some seeds off them as well. So we've got the Domingo. These are all from the world record strain, and they're all crossed Domingo and Big Zac with the world record strain on a ribbon vine. But that is how I get my giant vegetable seeds. The only place that I would recommend online would probably be someone like Medwins of Anglesey, who is a well-known competition grower who specialises in show vegetables and also giant vegetables, and you can get them online on his website at Medwins of Anglesey. I think there is a couple more sites, but again, I wouldn't really be trusting sites. I'd rather get in touch with the growers and get the seeds from the growers. So just before we end this video, we'll have a quick look at what we've got under the T5 LED grow lights in the shed. We've got some onions just starting to come up there. They're the Fasto. We've got the Peter Glazebrook aubergines. We've got the world record for the longest aubergine, and 9 seeds from a 9.5 pound aubergine. So hopefully we should get something coming there. We've got one just coming up there. I think there's about 6 in each. Medwins of Anglesey trial onions, one just starting to come up there, a couple over there. They were some beets, got broccoli, leeks, these are my own saved Corno di Toro. They've done really well, every one of them coming up. I have pre-soaked these in tissue, pre-germinated them even in tissue, and then transplanted them straight into here once I've seen the root coming out. These are the Peter Glazebrook Yellow Bell, and in this tray here we've got a Big Bertha Yellow Bell, the long, these are from my own saved again, and some more Corno di Toro. And under the Spider Farmer we've got red Baron onion right at the back, some Vento in front of that, heavy Swede, again my own saved seed, giant cabbage, some heavy beets, and the kohlrabi. So they're all looking really well under them. They've not long been transplanted from the small trays into these so they should be okay in these for a while. See a couple of roots coming in there. but it'll be a while before we transplant any of these. And I do have more peppers germinating, and I am going to be doing some more. So if you'd like to see a video on the peppers, let me know in the comments and I'll try and get one done. Right then guys, that is going to be it for me today. Just like to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching. I hope you found this video helpful or useful in any sort of way. Please do get in touch with any of the growers if you are interested in any of the seeds below. Check out the links in the description. As always, bye for now, see you on the next one.